In this video, we'll install and set up Socket.io. To make a web application have real-time features, you have to use a palette of techniques, such as long polling, the forever frame technique, server-side events, or WebSockets. To learn more about the basics of real-time web applications, you can view my course with the title Real-Time Web Applications, to dive deep in the theory behind these techniques. Usually, we don't have to dive into these techniques, but use high-level libraries such as SignalR for .NET applications or Socket.io for Node.js applications. Since we're using Node.js for our backend, we'll be using Socket.io. To do this, we'll have to open the package.json file and include the Socket.io library. Then, we'll run npm install to download the package. After that, we'll open the app.js file and scroll to the end. I'll instantiate the IO object, adding as a parameter the HTTP server. Then, after a client has connected, we'll add two event handlers, the onSubscribe and the onChat message. These two handlers will be triggered from events emitted from the client side. The first one is to subscribe the user in a room. The second one is to broadcast the message to the members of the room. So, we'll parse the message to JSON format and emit a private message event to the client side of the members of the room when the user sends a new message. The server side of our code is ready, so we'll go over to the client side in the next video. For more information on Socket.io, you can visit Socket.io or its GitHub page at github.com/socketio/socket.io.